Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front-wheel drive, hard disk drive media storage, universal garage door opener, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, outside temperature gauge, rear view camera, perimeter alarm. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.